accent. Pag-usapan din natin, Miss Nick.
Pahirap po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to... Kaibigan ko pong personal, they are part of my story. Wherever I am today, ay kami nagkasama-sama sa paglalakbay na ito. Two of the most revered names in the entertainment industry. Naitay Kapuso, please welcome Nanette Inventor and Mitch Valdez. Today, Nanette, I used to ask, sino ba si Buding? Ano ba ang sinasabi ni Buding? Can you give us a few lines?
Lalong-lalo na sa abroad.
Talaga?
Oo, dahil kasi yung mga karamihan nung nag-umpisa ako maging buding, eh nandun na silang lahat sa Amerika, mga citizen na.
Few lines daw!
Few lines?
Oo nga, sige nga.
Binigyan ko na.
Ikli lang itong ano natin.
Hola! Buenas noches, damas y caballeros. Matones y maricones. Yun lang.
I was so shocked. Yung parang out of the blue, bigla kang nag-viral na wala kang ginagawa. Thank you for that. 47 people were killed in downtown Tel Aviv when a bomb exploded due to terrorism. Floodwaters rose in Florida. Thousands were left homeless. Ang ganda ng British. Kasi yung mga tao ngayon, napaka-thin skin, and they can give their opinions at a drop of a hat. And they can insult you from head to toe, and then you will lose your fans, supposed fans, and then everybody says, I am offended.
Dalawang marriage proposal ang iniwasan ko. Ang pinili ko kasi ay ang family ko at ang career ko.
Says a lot.
Lalaki.
Men.
Siyempre nung bata ka, dahil sa influensya ng lahat ng romance movies at kung ano-ano, a man was very important. But as you get older, and I tried having a relation, nag-practice ako, nag-live-in, it is not suited to my personality. I do not like being told what I can and cannot do, and having to be at a certain point, at a certain time. Iba ang iba ang mindset ko. But I love men.
Artistang niligawan ka. Artistang naging boyfriend mo. Biggest showbiz crush.
Boy Abunda.
Artistang mas maganda sa'yo.
Wala.
When do you feel sexy?
When I'm eating.
Sa inyong dalawa, sino mas maganda?
Subukan mo.
Sino ang mas mayaman? Sino ang mas ligawin?
Hoy! Ako yata.
Ang bagal mo sumagot eh.
Kasi
Sino ang mas kaakit-akit? Sino ang mas mataas ang talent fee? Sino ang mas
BIR!
Lights on or lights off? Happiness or chocolates?
Chocolate!
Best time for happiness and chocolates.
24 hours.
Your motto sa buhay, ano ito?
Live every day.
Live every day.
To the max.
To the max. Nanette?
I always believe that life is a script written by your heart.
Gaano ka-importante ang lalaki mo sa buhay ngayon?
Hanggang kailan ka magpapatubo ng buhok?
Napakasaya, napakaikli. That's just the way I like it.
Oo. Para sana dinagdagan.
Tawa, 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 tawa.